Alright, let's talk about this battery report here. It's built into Windows. We've got a 55,000 milliwatt hour, 55 watt hour battery here. It currently charges to 48 watt hours. It has 119 cycles, and let's talk about what this report covers. Okay, so you've got power states over the last 3 days, so it keeps super detailed history for past 3 days if you wanted to see how it performed. I haven't actually taken this on any extended uses away from the outlet, but it's pretty interesting if you wanted to really drill into how long does your laptop battery last. You could run a test and pull up this report and see exactly what your estimates were at each time and get that nice line graph. So I actually use this for extended use more than 3 days ago, but I'll have to redo that test. It was on Tuesday the 26th. It was about 50% down to 3%. It looks like I got this laptop back in July of 2023, so almost a year ago. You can see like the full history of this battery, and then you can see how the battery life degraded during that time. So it was designed for 55 watt hours. I was at just about 54.7 watt hours when I got it. Crept up to 54.8. That's pretty interesting. 54.9. More than the design capacity. This might just be like rounding errors or something. But here you can see it's actually degraded quite a bit in the last month. That's pretty interesting. So February it was still around the design capacity, and then as we go into March now, we're seeing numbers at about 49 watt hours. So that's about 10% reduction in the capacity. Pretty interesting in about 9 months of use. And there they can give you your battery life estimate history. Like, I mean, this is crazy detail that they'll give you battery life estimates from this far in the past. But you can see, in my experience, like Windows laptops, x86, I mean, this is an Intel notebook. I think it would be a little bit longer if it was AMD, but you see it's about 3 or 4 hours. Hasn't really changed much. Since this is a framework laptop, you can get a newer battery, you can swap out the main board, you can try and tweak settings, and this is a very interesting report to have at your disposal. So run this shortcut. You can run the command directly in command prompt, but might as well just save it as a shortcut. So all you do is call up powercfg, tell it to give you the battery report, and then you just tell it where you want it to dump the report. It's an HTML file. Give it a try.